Alright, I'm going to give a quick review here for this Lumi Outdoors Natural Shoe Deodorizer Spray and Odor Eliminator, equipped with extra strength Eucalyptus Lemongrass that has a very strong yet not overpowering citrusy scent. So let's go testimony time here. I wore these little thin shoes to the beach. Yes, I said on the beach. I know, it's just something I do. And when I did, the very next day, that ocean water smell was extremely strong and nasty. If you've ever smelled that before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So what I did was looked immediately online to try to find something that will work for that and get rid of that smell immediately. I was quite skeptical, but let me tell you, this spray did the job and then some. So they say you only have to spray it in here one time. Just for safe measure's sake, I went ahead and sprayed it in here 4 times, and I kind of flipped the shoe over like this because the spray is nice and wide, so you want to make sure that it actually covers there, and you're just going to spray 1, maybe 2 in here, 3 a little bit deeper in, and then back to the beginning at 1 more. That's 4 sprays for me, but again, they say you only have to do it once. And another reason why I felt okay doing 4 sprays is that this 4-ounce bottle will last 700 sprays total. 700 sprays. So I didn't mind using a total of 8 on these 2 shoes when I have 700 sprays with this one bottle. And what's very convenient is not only will it work on shoes, it will work in kitchens, with trash cans, it will work in bathrooms, couches, anything like that. And I usually do this at nighttime, set it aside, let it sift through overnight, and it is great the next day. I mean great, excellent. The nasty, disgusting smell from the ocean water was completely gone, replaced by this citrusy, lemon-like smell, and if it can get rid of that, I'm telling you, it can probably get rid of most anything because, again, that ocean smell is strong. And that's it, that easy to use. Again, not an overpowering scent, but a very, very good scent. Works for multiple different things, and 700 sprays in this one little bottle. That's awesome. The Lumi Outdoors Natural Shoe Deodorizer Spray and Odor Eliminator, I highly recommend it.